we've got a few different bits here, so I'm going to give it a little looking at. So let's have a look at the chips. This is just a standard portion of chips. Get a bit more salt on there. Yeah, they're quite nice. And from what I heard was that the owner of the Chippy hadn't put his prices up for 2 years, just holding off, trying to help out and obviously help the business out and keep the staff going and everything else. And only just recently put some prices up, but even so, it's still really good prices. They're my grandson's nuggets. I'm here with my wife, daughter, my oldest daughter, and grandson, a corned beef fritter. Now, I've never had one of these before, so let's give it a little looking up. I'll take a little bit of a chunk off the end there, wrap everything else up, because this wind is a bit of a chill. And yeah, as you can see, there's plenty of corned beef going on in there. Yeah. That's actually really delicious. Well, that looks like a decent piece of cod. They only do small or regular. So again, I'll put a little bit more salt on there. I'm in a salt mood today. And I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, nice crispy batter. All holds together nice. Yeah, the batter's really nice. They cook in vegetable oil. And that's a nice piece of fish. It's flaky. You can taste the freshness. There's plenty of it. The batter's nice and light and crisp. Yeah, I'd highly recommend the cod as well. We've got a haggis sausage. Now, it's basically a battered haggis, but I'm just going to break a little bit off and give it a go. See, the batter's nice from there. See, that's nice. A couple of times now, I've had the haggis pour over and this, and they've been a very different consistency to what I've had from a Scottish haggis, and it's very different. See, I'm not really a fan of the proper Scottish haggis. Potato scallops. Now, these are going to need some salt on them. Look at the size of them. I think they work out at about 70p each. But they are huge, weighty. So as you can see by that, I enjoyed the meal. And the staff was something else. They were super friendly, helpful. We took the potato scallops home because they were huge. They were massive. In fact, we had them today. My wife and I had one each with some mixed salad and chicken drumsticks that were done in a jerk chicken, and they come out crispy in the air fryer for 5 minutes. Your chips and if you've got an air fryer, I suggest you get one if you go to the Chippy an awful lot, because those chips, those potato scallops or things like that from the Chippy that you can cook a day or two later, 5 minutes and they're nice and crispy and back to life. So don't waste things like that if you can help it. So let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Worst food going. Response from the owner. You are very difficult to please. All your reviews, apart from one, are derogatory. We have been here 40 years and seem to please most people. So I will treat your comment with contempt. 3 star. Little greasy. Curry sauce was great. Service was top notch. Response from the owner. What was greasy, Mike? 5 star. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to all the staff. I'm in a wheelchair. I visited again last night, and once again the staff took my order and brought the food to me. You are a credit to your employer. The food is amazing too. Well worth the 24-mile round trip for me. Response from the owner. Thank you, Ian. I really do appreciate both my staff and your comments. Phil. Mine. 4 star. The first thing that struck me as I entered the Chippy was how polite, friendly and chatty the staff were. The shop was clean and tidy, with a wide pathway next to the street parking spaces. The cod was delicious, with a light and crispy batter. The corned beef fritter was also a delight, generously filled, and again had a nice crispy, light batter. The potato scallops were huge and thick, yet tender. The chips were nice, as was the battered haggis sausage. Frodsham is also a lovely village to visit. cooking in vegetable oil, hygiene rating 5, card or cash, fish reviewed, cod. So yeah, if you're in Frodsham or thereabouts, call in, or you're passing through, grab yourself something to eat. They had lots of things on the menu, and the service was great, the food was good, so yeah, pop in and see you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024, so if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.